I'm Amanda Haynes, your Orlando Realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers in St. Cloud in this 55 plus gated community. This home is anywhere from 2 to 3 bedrooms and starts you at a base price of $370,000 to $990,000. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. As you step inside, you have a flex room here to your right. Lots of natural light coming into this home, and many options to choose from with this particular floor plan. It's 1 story. You can have 2 to 3 bedrooms. You have this half bath. There's a total of 2.5 or 3.5 bathrooms. And this amazing kitchen opening up to your great room and dining area. You'll notice the beautiful tray ceilings, all of the light fixtures really add a lot to this home. You can have a mini fridge over here for your wine. The island gives you plenty of space for prepping all the meals for you and your family. We have the drop zone area right before you come into your 3-car garage. You have plenty of room for your cars and additional storage. The pantry closet and your laundry room, which is adorably decorated for all of you pet lovers. You really can get a lot of ideas from these model home decorators. After the home's built, I've had a lot of clients go back to the models, use ideas for curtains, furniture placement, paint colors. It really is helpful. Before I take you out to the covered lanai, I'll take you over to the 2 bedrooms. On this side of the home, you have your first bedroom here on the right. There's a nice view of your backyard. You have 2,269 square feet of living space, and the base price starts you at $370,000 to $990,000. Between the 2 bedrooms, you have this full-size bathroom with the frameless glass walk-in shower. And your sailboat room. This fancy chandelier hanging from the center of the bedroom. You're in a guard-gated community, not far from Lake Nona. Natural gas, you have your outdoor kitchen, the option of building a pool if you choose to have one, and many amenities. They're in the process of building them right now, so they're not yet complete. The clubhouse is going to have 27,000 square feet of space, full of lots of activities for you to choose from, indoor and outdoor. Lastly, we step inside your owner's suite. And your owner's bathroom. If you need something sooner, there is a quick move-in available in this floor plan. It has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. I'd love to help you and your family find a new home, so if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Amanda Haynes, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so to see more videos like these. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.